Termidor, with its genuine transfer effect technology, has been successfully protecting Australian homes against termites since 2002 without a single product failure. Now there's an even more advanced, high-efficiency Termidor that can give you the best protection against termites, while it also preserves the look and value of your home. When standard liquid termite products are applied in a trench around a home, all the backfilling and soil treatment required often leads to quite uneven and patchy treatments. Only Termidor HE uses BASF patented Advanced Polymer Technology, or APT, that spreads the treatment deeper to provide a larger, more even treated zone that goes beyond the trench. The APT forms a protective cocoon around the Termidor molecule that helps it penetrate further and more evenly through the soil. Then the cocoon dissolves to form an invisible, even and unbroken protective zone that will keep controlling termites for years. The extra penetration and movement of Termidor HE also results in significantly less disruption to your landscaping when it is applied by drilling through concrete, and ensures the treatment gets to the hardest to reach places, so fixtures like hot water services and air conditioners don't create any unprotected gaps termites can get through. One big drawback of most termite treatments, if you have any decorative concrete or tiled areas, is that holes often have to be drilled through the middle of tiles, which is noticeable even when it doesn't cause cracking. Termidor HE's superior movement means the holes can almost always be drilled between the tiles and then grouted over so they become invisible. So Termidor HE provides a whole new level of protection, treatment flexibility and convenience compared to standard treatments. Your home will be protected by a more even, unbroken protective zone, installed with less disruption and risk of unsightly damage that you can rely on to last for years. Termidor HE, choose the most advanced and least disruptive termite protection for your home.